Hey, Lukey, do you have water in your ear?
Uh-uh.
How do you know?
Good no.
How do you check it?
There was on that in my ear. And no deed in my ears. Don't go. I take it from something. And there, in my ears.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, those are my eyes. My ears.
I think that's your throat and your mouth.
I don't in my mouth. What?
Are you ready to see the doctor?
Uh-huh.
You gonna be nice and show the doctor your ears? I love you. Hey, handsome.
Okay, you didn't those counties.
No, let me see. In order to not get cavities, you need to do what?
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.
Because if you don't brush your teeth, what happens?
Black teeth.
I love you.
What happens to you cat? Black teeth.
Yeah. What are black teeth called? What is it called when you have black teeth?
Black. Dark.
Cavities?
Yeah, cavities.
What gives you cavities?
Uh-huh.
What gives you cavities?
Vegetables?
No, vegetables don't give you cavities. What gives you cavities?
Something.
Candy?
Yeah. Cavities. Look at that, man. Look at that over there.
What is it?
Like this.
You want to be a doctor one day?
No,
What do you want to do?
be a kid.
I love you. You're so funny.